Okay, morning ladies. It's Jamie speaking this morning. I just wanted to, I had somebody give me a call and they were a little bit confused about two things: how to use their Selphy printers and what a 4-up is, what a 2-up is, and all of that. So I quickly wanted to run through it. It might end up going into two videos, the difference between the two machines. That what I'll do just now, but right now I want to teach you how to use your machine. If you've got this black machine, all you do is you've got your USB cord and you insert it. Okay, then you're going to see that you've got, it says busy. Okay, then it will load the pictures that are already loaded onto your USB stick. You'll have your cartridge that you've already preloaded with your paper. Your paper's in here, and all you do is you slide this in until you hear that click. Once the click is in, that means you've got your pictures loaded, your papers loaded, and you're ready. Now what I like to do is I like to go to menu, and then I like to go scroll down to change settings, push OK. I don't like it to be glossy. I like a matte finish, so I press it to the right hand side so that it's a matte, and I want it to be a 1-up. A postcard size is a 1-up. I'll explain the rest later. Okay, so we're all happy with that? Okay, so what I'm going to do is quickly change the settings. It's going to print the photo. It's going to print the photo glossy, and I don't want that. So I'm going to scroll down to change settings, press OK. Change settings, press OK. Then it says glossy there. Push the right button, it's pattern 1. Pattern 1 means it's not going to be glossy, it's going to be matte. And we're going to go down, and you can scroll down, and it says 1-up. That's a postcard side. We're happy with that. We push back. We scroll back up to select a print. Here's the print I want. I'm going to press print. While it's getting ready, while it's busy printing your photo, in my kit, it wants a photo, but it wants you to crop it to a 4-up or a 2-up. So I think for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go to a 2-up. I'm going to take my Perspex plates. I'm just going to open them. I'm going to take up my 2-ups. And you'll notice on the 2-ups, it says 2-up 7.5 by 10 centimeters. So it already measures everything for you. It's completely clear, so you don't have to get your ruler or your scissors out. I'm going to put that to one side. My photo is just about to come out, and it's just dry.